Right guys, just join me at trying to get the dash rail to fit in. Sneaking another few hours while baby's asleep. What we're using is we just got to get away the end welds of the old dash rail on here. Bring you in. So there's the old tab off of the end of the dash rail, and here's the old weld. It goes along this panel. Which one? It's not too bad on this side, just a couple of tiny little holes there. Don't know if we'll cut a piece out there or not. But yeah, so to get rid of this in this tight situation, we're just using precision cutting disc motions. I know it's not the right tool, but basically just moving the tool back and forward until the weld's gone away. Let me see if I can try and show you very briefly. So hopefully you saw that, just wiping the disc across the weld face, helping us to get rid of that weld there. You see, I'll finish that. I've sort of done it over that side already, and then we'll see if we can clamp the rail in there. Well, it took ages to hammer into place, but I reckon that is pretty bang on. So now we can see obviously where we're going to have to weld, and then somehow weld that tag in there. I don't know whether we'll put a hole in the middle of that tag, maybe plug it, or just go around the outside. Obviously nice fillet weld in there. Here it is along, lining up pretty nicely. I suppose it would really, being a heritage part and all. Obviously got to do all those repairs first though. Right, well, after struggling to get it in, we'll take it out again. Cheers. Right, just showing you what we're working on doing here. Just working on this panel. At the minute it's a bit thin, and there was quite a big hole here. I'm just trying to build it up, the weld in there. There's a little hole there still. Need to re-plug a few of those holes, weld it up, grind it back, weld it up until it's good, and then that side over there is a lot more to do on, but just showing how they are now. Right, do a bit more. Yeah, that's probably this side done. We'll spray some paint on there in a second. The holes are gone here. This is not too bad. Obviously going to be a little bit of filler on there. Right, cardboard template time for the other side. There's a hole in here, so we need to cut out a triangular piece in there, and then another rounded piece to go in here. Just the scuttle will be replaced, so that's that piece you can see there, but this inner piece, the dash rail, only comes to here, and then this bit that's missing we'll have to fabricate. So we need a piece sort of that banana shape there, and then we need a triangular piece there. Right guys, yeah, so that's not the easiest thing to do, bending up cardboard to make the little template and then creating a piece of metal with multiple bends in it. You see, it's got this bit that's flat to the windscreen, it's got this triangular angle, and then it's got this bit that's this way. So there's 3 different, I mean it doesn't follow all the curves and everything, but that doesn't matter too much, we'll sort that out. But yeah, the hole's gone, we'll tacked in, and I've had enough for right now. We'll jump back when I've welded and ground that in. Right, just shaking up the primer because I've now done that fix in there, which I think is pretty good. So this was where the big hole was on that section, and there I bent up that piece of metal, which wasn't easy, with this piece and this piece of 3 different angles. But yeah, we're just gonna put some primer on there. Well, it'll be weld through because I'm gonna be welding the dash rail in there. And then on the other side, and that should do us. And then in the next one, hopefully we'll be putting the dash rail all the way across there, and then that'll be that little area dealt with for now. Right, thanks again guys, bye.